Hey, welcome back to my channel. Riddle here. Well, this is funny. I just did this entire video and I went down to shut it off and realized I never turned on the video. So this is a take two. I'm trying this new diet and it is messing with my head, but that's a whole nother video. I'm going to show you how to clean rust off of tools the safe environmental way. Buy a gallon of white vinegar. It's only a couple bucks. You can get it at Costco, or they even have industrial strength vinegar now that they carry at Walmart. And you're going to take that and you're going to fill a bucket or a bowl, depending on how large your rusty tool is, with the straight vinegar, no water or anything. And then you're going to submerge and let it just sit for anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. Now these were traps that I was using, and I left them out in the mud, and some of them were submerged underground, and most people would have thrown them away, but I think that is an affront to all the hard labor and materials and resources that it takes to make something. So I'm old school. I believe in taking care of your things and using them over and over again. I don't let myself be influenced by China, the China mentality. So straight vinegar, you got your little wire brush that you got at the dollar store or wherever, or a really hard bristle brush, and you can see that rust is just melting right off of there. See that? Comes right off. This is amazing. So after you get it all cleaned up and get in all the nooks and crannies, allow it to dry thoroughly, and then we're going to take some cheap lubricant. Again, I found this at the dollar store, and we're going to spray it all over your tool, or in this case, my trap. And then you're going to rub that down really well with a rag, and that's going to preserve it and keep it from further rusting until you need to use it again. So there you go. Couple bucks and a little elbow grease, and your tools are as good as gold. Now you might be wondering, what do I do with this filthy, rusty vinegar water when I'm done? That's a good question. Vinegar makes an excellent herbicide. So if there's some weeds coming up in the cracks in the driveway, or somewhere else in the yard that you wanted to kill some weeds and you want nothing else to grow there, this is important. If it's around other plants, it'll kill them too. So only use this in places that you don't want the weed to grow back or anything else living. And just go ahead and pour this wherever that is, and the vinegar will kill that plant in like 24 to 48 hours. So there you go. If you enjoy my videos and money-saving quick tips, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves, and most of all, take care of each other, because it's how we treat each other on the streets that really is important and makes up the fabric of this great nation.